we're actually going to do an unboxing video and a bit of a review video. So I've just been down to Dragon Car Alarms, who obviously have sponsoring this video, and I've just picked up some Ground Zero 6.5 speakers. Now this is going to be replacing the old Vibe speakers that I had in the back. Now because my 350 was an enthusiast model, it didn't come with speakers, so I bought a cheap set and they've been in there since then. They're not bad, they kind of do the job, but they're not good enough for what we're going to want. So let's have a look, let's unbox these and see what these look like. So speaker wire. Oh, let's have a put it out of the box. You only need to do one. I'll show you once they're fitted and let you know what they're like. So the grills are quite a nice looking grill. Hidden screws, which is quite nice. And then a nice coaxial two-way speaker. It's got a lovely texture on the grill. I like the way, actually I might actually leave the covers off because I quite like it like this with the embossed Ground Zero written on it. So these are actually 90 watts RMS, 130 watts peak. So that's going to be exactly the right amount for our new install. Okay, so a quick comparison for you. So these are the ones that came out the Vibes, and you can see even like the depth with the magnet size is a lot bigger. The cones look a hell of a lot stronger. I mean,
a few moments later.
Okay, so we're going to be fitting the speakers in. Obviously we've already got the holes in here, but you'll notice the first thing I've done is I've sound deadened all of this, because this was just like open metal. So all of this, horrible vibrations, all the bits and pieces. So the whole thing's now been sound deadened and we're ready to put the speaker in. Okay, well let's get on with it. So obviously a little bit of a restricted access because I've got the harnesses still in. I'm not going to take that out, just put a set of speakers in. So first thing to do is make all those connections, make sure everything's nice and tight in there, so obviously the power's getting to the speaker. Once we've done this, we'll be able to locate the speaker, get it in the right place, get the screws in and get it mounted. Right, here we go. So I do start off with a standard screwdriver and a screw, just to locate the screws first, and then they'll all come in with the power. Oh, hold on, I don't think I've got the speaker the right way up. Oh no, there we go. Just rotate it a little bit, make sure everything's still connected. Right, let's get this done up now. So like I say, I start with a standard screwdriver just to locate it, because I find the power screwdriver tend to jump out a little bit. Once I've located it, I'll get the power. Here we go. So using the drill, keeping my hand over that to make sure that it's not going to slip off and hit anything. Don't want to damage the cone. Right, now that's located, I'll be able to get all the other screws in and just mount the whole thing up. So I've speeded this bit up for you because you don't need to see me do all of this. So basically, add all those screws in, make sure that everything's tightened down, and then you won't get the vibrations, so that'll be all really cool. Right, here we go, just tighten everything up, make sure everything is nice and tight, and all is great. Right, let's get on with it, let's have a test. Well, just a quick interruption to thank today's video sponsor, Dragon Car Alarms, who can do all of your audio and security needs, from Thatcham approved alarms and immobilisers to a full tracker system. Their telephone number's down here, but you can also visit them on their website. Right, let's get back to the video, let's go. Okay, so The rear speakers are now in, as you can see. They sit behind the seats quite nicely. Now, this has replaced those old vibes. Now, this is to future-proof it. We are thinking about putting an extra amp. Let me show you what we're running at the moment. So, let me just take the steering wheel off for a second, give myself a bit more room to play with. So, we have JBL component speakers in the front at the moment, running on a Pioneer head unit. Obviously, the Ground Zero, we've just put in rear speakers. Now, we've actually changed the sub out. We don't have a Ground Zero sub in now. Let's open up the boot. We now have a power base 10-inch amp, or sub in there, running a Pioneer amp. So, let's see. You can see there's obviously stuff going on, but that'll be in another video. So, let's see if these speakers have improved it. Now, the problem I had before was I was getting a lot of distortion from the back speakers. They were crackling all sorts. So what I've actually done is I've already come on here and started playing around, and I've actually set the rear speakers so they've got a little bit of bass when I find my speaker crossovers. So I've set up, so now they've got a little bit of bass, so they're going to provide a bit more bass. The rear speakers originally did not have that on. I had to turn the bass totally off. My front's got the normal high pass filter on, and obviously my sub's already got its low pass filter on it as well, which is off because I'm using the one on the actual sub, on the amp even. Right, so NEFX. Now this is a copyright free song, so I can actually play you it and we can see what it sounds like. It's very sunny at the moment. This is actually Christmas Eve.
I know lately you do know me, but you know on the phone there's a whole world for the girls you could be looking at, homie. It's true, between me and you, it's only $5 and that's what they do. Let's get high, lose track of time. Come on, man, you know I'm a damn good time. Yo, they're taking a poster, no clothing. Oh my God, so exposed and everything. You might as well see everything. Every inch, you believe, I'm going in. Wait, leash, DM, be friends, pretend, the boyfriend, the deep end. She needs men, she needs you, and you're choosing. Get out of my head, get out of my mind. Honey,
I quite like this one. This is only on 18, sometimes have it like 22, so... So what I'm going to do now is just turn it so I've got no sub on, so we can listen to what those rear speakers actually sound like. So let's turn the sub off and go back and play our tune.
Instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free.
Okay, I've got to say I'm really impressed with those speakers, they do sound really crisp. Now, we are future-proofing very slightly because we are considering putting a second amp in to drive just the 4 speakers. So that might come in a video soon. Right, well if you enjoyed this video, do hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and hey, why not leave me a comment, and we'll catch you soon. Take care.